Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Cruzy. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Woo!
Hi, my name's Cruz. Welcome to my video. Today, I'll open all these presents. Yeah! So let's start. So today, I'm opening this one. Okay. Well, this is slipping off me. I'm trying to. Mom, can you help me, please?
Get the rest of your toys.
Well, we need to do it together.
You forgot this one.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, you got a lot of toys for your birthday.
Her lip can change. I can look. And her. Let's go to the side.
Okay.
Can put them right there.
You forgot one.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got 13.
Okay, so let's pick. What do you want to open first?
I was already opening this one, so I'm opening this one. A Barbie doll.
This is a Barbie.
Yeah, so I'm opening it.
A Barbie
Yeah.
on a jet.
Yeah.
On a jet ski, right? Ooh.
Well, her
Wow.
yummy drinks.
The Barbie.
Her got 2 drinks if her, wait. Oh! 2 drinks and a puppy and, I don't know.
Let's open it up.
I thought there was 3 girls, but there's only one. Her name is. Her looks brown like me, so I call her Cruz.
Oh, okay. She looks brown like you.
So I call her Cruz. So I will call her Amelia, and I'll call her Barbie, and I'll call her Amelia Chelsea.
Oh, okay. This package opened.
Come on.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Ooh, is this the life vest?
Yeah.
The life vest.
Mom, I already show it.
Is she stuck?
Her hair. Go try this thing.
Her steering wheel?
Yeah.
That's her steering wheel. That helps her steer the boat.
The puppies go over here. The puppy go over here because it got a button. Oh, sit. Okay. Sit.
Let's see. I'll help you. It's got the button. There we go. He's sitting down.
Now,
And here's your Barbie.
thank you for letting me eat the drinks. Let's sit her down. They go over here.
Does it fit right there?
But don't go.
Let's see. Oh no, they're too big for that. The puppy can go on the back.
I'm going to put her on there. I can put the drinks over here in the back seat. I'll put them in the back seat. Just like that. Now the last one. Okay. This is orange juice and this is apple juice. I think this one is orange juice and this one is orange juice.
Where do they go? You figured out where to put them?
I keep falling. I'm trying to push it down.
You got it? Let me see. Look, let me show you. Put it in like this. Push it in. There you go. Now where's her dog?
The next one
Where's her dog?
is over here.
Put her dog inside. In the front.
No, I put it over here so her dog is, so it can't be under the water, so it can't swim. Her looks so cute. Her looks like Becca. So let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. Okay, sweet. Mom, pass it to me.
Oh, you didn't put this on her.
Oh,
She needs that to swim.
I'm not putting it on because it's not going in the bathtub.
Okay.
I mean the ocean.
So when you put her in the water, then you're gonna put it on her?
Yeah.
Okay.